Are you tired of the IRS taking all your money? Well, then you need to learn how to build wealth and build it tax free. And that's what we're going to talk about today. I'm Angelina Watkins, your spiritual growth and wealth strategist, and I am here for two reasons and two reasons only. That's to help you make money and become the person that you need to be to make it and keep it. And in this episode, we're going to talk about some tax-free financial instruments where you can put your money, it can grow tax-free, which means that when you take it out, you don't have to pay taxes on it. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Well, let's talk about it. So, one of the biggest killers of wealth is taxes. IRS is coming for the money and they want it by any means necessary, okay? And so you have to figure out how in the world can I build wealth without the IRS taking more than half of your money, because the more you make, the more they're going to take, right? Tax brackets go up and up and up. And so no matter how much you make, the more you make, the more they're going to take. And what you don't want to do is say, well, then I just won't make no more. No, we want wealth. We want that money, that moolah, okay? And so you've got to figure out how in the world can I grow my money and reduce my tax liability. We won't say eliminate, we won't say avoid, because that's not what we're here to do. We're not here to do anything illegal. What we want to do is be able to reduce our tax liability so that we be able to keep more of the money. Now, there are different financial instruments in which you can put your money to grow and it will grow tax free, which means that by the time you're ready to withdraw the money, you don't have to pay taxes on it, which is one of the biggest killers, because if you put your money in an investment account to trade or invest your money, when you withdraw it, you're going to have to pay taxes. Matter of fact, you're already paying taxes on whatever it is that you realize. So let's say you put your money in the stock market and you sell those stocks, you're going to have to pay taxes on the profit or the gain. If your 401k or your IRA, where you put money away for retirement, when it comes time for you to withdraw that money, you've got to pay taxes on it. So the question becomes, how can I grow my money? How can I make some money and not have to pay taxes? So I'm going to go over the two major ways, the two major financial instruments that you need to consider when wanting to grow your money tax-free. Now, again, there's about 7 different places in which you can grow your money, but I ain't talking about those. I'm not endorsing those today. We're going to talk about the 2 major ones that you need to know about and you need to think about in order to grow your money and not have to pay taxes. The first, of course, is a Roth IRA or your Roth 401k. Now, let's start with the Roth 401k. You all, if you are working for an employer, then you have a 401k. But some employers offer a Roth 401k. So what that means is that the money that you contribute to your Roth 401k, that money, interest earned on your contribution, not the matching of your employer, but your contribution, grows tax-free. So that means the money that you're putting in there is growing compound interest. You are gaining and you are profiting, and then by the time you retire and you're ready to take out the money, the profits from your contribution that you made are tax-free. Same thing with a Roth IRA. If you have a Roth IRA and you are putting money away for your retirement and that money is growing year after year after year, which is what we want to happen, when it's time for retirement, when you withdraw that money, the money that grew tax-free. Now, there's one other way that I want to mention about where you can put your money so that it grows tax-free, and that is an indexed universal life policy. Yes, that is the secret, you all. The secret to wealth, that the wealth you're using, y'all better get hip. It's insurance policies. Insurance policies will allow you to grow money tax-free depending on the type of policy. It needs to be an indexed universal life policy. That's where you are going to grow your money, okay? And if you withdraw any money from the cash account, it's going to be tax-free because it's a life insurance policy. Now, there's a whole life policy. Whole life policies, they collect cash, but you can't just withdraw that money. That money is taken out as a loan, and then you're charged interest, and you have to pay that loan back. And if you don't pay the loan back, then the money is deducted from the face value of the policy. That's not really collecting cash or building up cash to be tax free. But the index universal life policy, what that is it has a what we call a cash account or a separate account, and you have your premium and you pay your premium, and your premium pays for the cost of having insurance, and the rest of the premium goes into what we call a separate account. And in that separate account, your money grows according to the universal index, the index fund in the stock market. Okay, so if the index does well, you make money. If the index doesn't do well, you may not make any money, but you don't lose the money that you have. And historically, the index fund has always done very, very well and have given a return, and that return is then given to you in your cash account. And then that money builds up from compounded interest over year after year after year, right? And so now you're growing some wealth within your insurance policy. And when the time comes for you to withdraw it, if you need it, guess what? You can withdraw it tax free. Okay, so those are the two ways in which the two financial instruments in which you can put your money in order to grow it tax free. And that's what you want, you all. That's what you want. You want to have that as part of your tax strategy. Now, everything you're not going to be able to totally not pay taxes, but if you can reduce your taxes in some type of way, then you would want to do that. So make sure that when you're talking to your CPA, your tax strategist, your tax lawyer, or whomever that you work with, that is a part of your tax strategy of how you can grow your money, and the withdrawals can be tax free. Now, if you want to learn about these tax strategies and more on how to build wealth from scratch, then get my book, Path to Prosperity, 17 Secrets to Building Wealth, where I teach you how to make, manage, multiply, and protect your wealth.